If you want to factory reset your POCO F7 Pro by using recovery mode, here's what you need to do. So first of all, we need to open the power menu to turn off our phone. We need to completely turn it off. So I'm gonna press power button and volume up in order to open the power menu, and we're gonna swipe up to shut down the phone. After that, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button. But once you see the POCO logo, you want to hold only the volume up button, so you want to release the power button. So let's get right into it. Just press and hold power button and volume up. And once you see the POCO logo, now we can release the power button and hold only volume up until you are in the recovery mode. It should take a couple of seconds. There we go. Now we can release volume up. We are in the recovery mode. And here we need to navigate with volume up buttons to wipe data option. So choose volume down in order to choose the position below. And confirm your choice by pressing the power button after selecting wipe data. And then you can follow the rest of the instructions. Over here you want to choose wipe all data. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.